God, I feel really weird doing this, but I am in Edgar Allen Poe's parlor. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of his house. But this is his parlor. And you come through here. This is the kitchen. Edgar Allan Poe lived in Philly. He lived in 7 houses in Philly or something like that. And this is the only one that's still up. So this is open for tours at 7th and Spring Garden. He lived here with his wife, who was his cousin, and his mother-in-law, who was his aunt. Nobody's talking about that. And this is the room where he wrote.
We go up here?
Oh. Sorry. And here's his bedroom. Up here. This was his wife's bedroom. I guess back in those days they didn't share bedrooms. And you go down these steps. And you're in this yard. Down these steps here. Oh man. And this is the cellar where book or poem The Black Cat was supposedly written about. Kind of creepy, a little bit of cobwebby.
Check this out over here.
There's the black cat. There's the star of the show. Apparently the book's about burying a wife's body. Probably not seeing any of this. Oh, my man found something.
If you go up to the 3rd floor, there's a floorboard. In the corner, trust me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess we'll do that again. All right. So I'm up at the 3rd floor, and there is a floorboard here. And if you pick it up, there is a hand holding a human heart. And that's it. That's the tour of Edgar Allan Poe's house here at, I think it's 4th and Spring Garden, something Spring Garden. Don't forget to smash that like button, press subscribe, and just ran 3 flavors, so I'm so out of shape. And anchors away.